Alright, so good day guys, it's AJ Frank once again. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to trade CRT. CRT simply means candle range theory. So I'm going to show you guys the simplest way to trade it. Let's say it might not be the simplest way to trade it, but this is the way I used to trade it, and I find it quite interesting and simple. Not easy, simple, because there's some logics behind it. So the first thing you need to do if you are trading candle range theory is to find a specific candle in higher time frame. It can be 1 hour time frame, it can be 4 hour time frame, it can be daily time frame, it can be weekly time frame. But in this video I'll be using daily time frame because that's what I normally use. I prefer using daily time frame, so it wouldn't take that much time. So first of all, you have to pick a candle and then you mark the highs and the low of that candle. Ignore the opening and closing of the candle, just mark the high and the low of that candle. So this is the high of this candle and here is the low. After marking the high and the low of that candle, you need to go down to a lower time frame, then wait for price. Okay, let me first show you guys what I'm expecting. Before you know what you're expecting in a candle range theory, you have to first of all know the trend that price is currently trending on. So this is the overview of this trend. So we can see that we are in a lower time frame right here. Oh my god, what am I saying? We are in a downtrend right here. Sorry for that guys. So we are in a downtrend and price is currently on a retest phase. Price is currently on a correction phase. So we are looking for a way to continue the downtrend. And what do you do in a downtrend? You sell if you are going to trade the continuation. Unless you are counter trading, that's when you buy. So I'm expecting price to take the high of this candle and then trade down. And my target is the low of this candle. So this candle is my target. This is the daily candle range theory. So I'm not expecting price to take this high as liquidity and then come down and take this low, either as a liquidity grab or liquidity run, anyhow, but that's my target. So now go down to lower time frame, that's 1 hour. So this is the high of that candle and this is the low of that candle. Let me write it out so that you guys should get confused, because I believe some beginners might be watching these videos. So this is the daily high, this line right here, that's the line I drew from that daily high candle, and this right here is the daily low. So hope that's okay guys. Let me go back to daily time frame and show you what I just did. This is that candle right here. Where's my arrow? I think I need to add this to favorite. Okay, so this is this candle right here, this candle right here that I just marked, and this is the daily high of that candle. Although this is the closing of this candle and this is the opening of this candle, but you are going to ignore it. You are using only the highs and the lows, the highs and the low. So this is the daily high and this is the daily low. I just wrote it out so that it won't get confusing when we enter low time frame. We want to mix things up, right? How do I remove this shit? Okay, let's leave it. So this is 1 hour time frame. We are going to play this and see when price will take this high. That's what we are expecting. We're expecting price to take that high. So we have entered another trading day, another trading session, another one. Oops, that was too fast. Just want price to take it. Let's go to 5 minutes so that price will not catch us on our edge. I just need to show you guys how to get entries. Also, it's not just about, the best thing is knowing how to get entries. So this is that daily high, and this is our daily low right here. So let me zoom it a bit. So this is our daily high right here, this line. So what this is too fast. So you see, price have taken our daily high. So for us to confirm if it's a liquidity grab, we will need to see price come down impulsively, leaving a fair value gap, right? Good. So this is what we want to see. You see, price came down impulsively just as we wanted to see, leaving two fair value gaps, then came back to mitigate it. So this is our 5 minute supply. These two candles, these two candles, one, two. These two candles is our 5 minutes supply. So that's where we are going to be taking entry. This is of course not the only way to take entry. There are many ways you can take entry. You can also use 1 hour, wait for 1 hour to give you a candlestick pattern. So we see the closing of this 1 hour. See this 1 hour candle. This is a candlestick pattern right here. We call it hanging man. See this high rejection right here. So but I prefer using 5 minutes for my entry. 5 minutes or 15 minutes, that's what I use. But I'll be using 5 minutes because I've already seen a perfect entry right here, so no need going to 15 minutes. So I'm going to take my entry right here, then my SL just above the 5 minutes high, and then my TP will go down to that daily low. You see the daily low, that's where my TP is going to go. So let's see how long it will take this trade, or let's see how many days it will take this trade to hit TP. So this is Friday London session, 2:05 a.m. Friday 29th November 2024. So let's play it. Let me fast forward it a bit so that, let's see if we can hit TP this Friday. Oh, I don't think we're going to hit TP this Friday. This thing is taking long. Alright. We are deep in profits. We are still in London session. See 12 o'clock right there for New York session. Walk with me, guys. So we have entered New York session. So you can see what happened right here. New York session. Immediately we enter New York session. it took out this low as liquidity and then go all the way up. I think it's going for our entry. It's going for our entry right there. So I think I can still use that as an opportunity to add another entry. I need price to take this high right here as a liquidity, then I can add more entry to this our trade. Let me slow this down so I can catch it. Alright, price took it. So for us to confirm is a grab and not a run, we need an impulsive move down below it. Oops, it's still going up. Okay, I just need to see a fair value gap. Alright, we have it right there. We have it. We have a fair value gap. So I'll be adding another entry there. I'll be adding another short from here. And then my TP is still going to be the same. So I need you guys to see something. In the first trade, we are risking 13 pips, just 13 pips, and our TP is 108 pips, guys. This is massive. 13 pips to get 108 pips, and we are still in that trade. So I'm taking another trade right here, and in this trade I'm risking 19 pips to get 103 pips. 103 pips, guys. So in total we are risking 13 pips plus 13 pips for plus 19 pips. That is 13 pips plus 19 pips, that is 32 pips. 32 pips, and we are going for 108 pips plus 103 pips. We are going for 211 pips. That's what we're going for. We are risking 32 pips for 211 pips, guys. That's massive. That's massive. So let's just hope that all of them hit TP, and then we can rejoice. So we have taken the next entry and price is going down. That's 2 entries. You can see how it's pushing down. So we have entered another day. The trade did not hit TP on that Friday, so we have entered another day. So this is Monday. This is Sunday night, midnight. Sunday midnight opening of Sydney session. Yes. So we have entered Monday. I've entered Monday. And the thread is still running, the 2 threads. I'm trying to see if I'll get another entry. So this is okay, price is coming down. I think it's a good entry. So that's another 5 minutes supply right there. You can call it order block, whatever. So I'll be looking to take another entry right here. Looking to take another sell right here. And my TP will just be above here, 13 pips, and the TP is still that daily low. Remember our target, this daily low, that's our target. Once we reach here, we are done with this general overview, then we look for another view. So We have taken 2 entries inside that one entry. So let's see how it goes. Let's extend it. Let's see if price will trigger me in the third entry. I think. All right, I'm in. I'm in. Is in. Is in. Good. All right. Boom. That's TP. General TP for all. So we have 108 pips, 103 pips, which is 211 pips. Then 50 pips. This is 262 pips with this one single strategy, one daily candle that we use to analyze. We are getting 250 something pips. So remember how we get this trade. This is that candle right here. This is the daily candle. So we waited for price to break above the high of that candle, then come down. We then take our entry after confirmation on 1 hour and 5 minutes. Then we traded all the way down to the low of that candle. So that's how you trade candle range theory, guys. If you find this video interesting, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Stay tuned for more interesting, awesome videos.